everybody. You guys working on your Christmas stuff? I sure am. Well, I just finished off another journal. This one here is for my grandson, and it's something for him to be able to journal in, and he's a hockey player, so he can put his notes in whatever he wants. I've used a piece of vinyl, and I just glued it on with Fabri-Tac over. I made the base with chipboard, and then I covered it with this vinyl. And I just used one of Tim Holt's little buckles, and I put grommets for the little holes to put it as a belt. I was really did not know how to coordinate a journal to be kind of masculine, because he is a teenager and you don't want to have something too feminine. I've sewed on my sewing machine around. I put his name, Sebastian, and 2009. You can't really say it too much on the, there you go. You can see a little bit better there. And I sewed all the way around, and I made it like a book flap over instead of having it open like we normally do. And this is the way I did his. On the inside, I finished it. It's almost like a velour, I guess. I don't know what you would call it, but it's something I had bought a long time ago, and I had it sitting in my my stash, and I thought, oh, that'll look good, because there's swirls and whatnot, but it looks a little bit more masculine. I purchased a nice pen for him down at the nice looking pen anyway, from the dollar store, and added to there. What I did is I sewed a piece, but I glued it down, so it looks like it's sewn into the fabric, but it really isn't. And here's the same thing. I sewed a loop to put the pen, but I glued it down, and that Fabri-Tac will not go anywhere. And as for the clip here, I had a bunch of charms that I had kind of saved up on hockey, because he is a hockey player, and I did those as paper clips, so he'd be a little bit more masculine. Like here you have a hockey player, and the paper that I have here is a paper that I bought on Etsy for hockey. This is just a dollar store pad that I just sewed around a piece of vinyl to match that, and I put notes on it and glued a little hockey stick to it, and he can use it, tear it, do whatever he wants, but it's just a little extra for him. You know, not a lot, but it just makes it a little bit more masculine for him. And inside he can write and do whatever he wants. I just added capture the moment. I added some little sayings, imagine you can, and all these little sayings. Choose to see the good stuff. Creativity takes courage. Stay simple. The same thing. I just added a bit of everything. I went on the internet and picked up a few things by Gordie Howe. All hockey players are bilingual. They know English and profanity, so I thought that was pretty funny. Anyway, and you know, I just did some different ones. Here's a hockey stick as a paper clip. He can put it wherever he wants. All the talent in the world won't take you anywhere without your teammates. And that is so true. And then he can journal all year, do what you love what you do, and it's a good thing. Good things are going to happen. When you know better, you do better. Always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. And, you know, I always left a little bit of room for him if he wants to put a note, or I'm not sure he's like that, but we're going to find out, I guess. And never give up. Great little things. He's only 15 years old, so, you know, there's still a bit of time here. Attitude is everything, and he can, you know, challenge himself on some scores from his hockey and so forth. And then not every victory shows a scoreboard. And here we're number one. Another paper clip there. And again, all kinds. Shine like the whole universe is yours. Just all total, you know, no journey is too great if you find what you seek. And then you never lose. You either win or you learn, which is so true. We always say, it don't matter if you win or lose, just go out there, give it your all, and have fun. And if you have, that'll be your success. Believe in yourself, and, you know, all kinds of little goodies like that. In this jersey, I promise to play for the logo on the front and not the name on the back. This is so true. Replace your fear for the unknown and the curiosity. And, you know, it's not how big you are, it's how big you play. These are a little quote, be brave. And I've got a whole bunch of others here. Even the best fall down sometimes, but only the best get right back up. And forever is composed of nows. And you are enough. You know, it's just all little things like this. Well, there you go. I had a little bit of glue here that pulled out. Anyway, a miracle happen when you believe, and the journey's a destination. It all has to do with him here. Don't aspire to be the best on the team. Aspire to be the best for the team. That was said for to be a team player here. And those who believe in magic will never find it. Whoops. In magic, we'll never find it. Yeah, it's all in perspective. Look for the bright side. Be awesome today. Be original. Be fearless and be you, but be brave. You know, what seems to be the ordinary is the extraordinary. All the typical sayings that we hear and we see on notebooks and so forth. Positive. I'd like to try. When I made it, I had in mind to keep it quite as positive, you know, so every time you flip a page, you'd have a little saying, because I do believe he will be, I could be wrong, but I do believe that he will be thinking and writing stuff in here. I could be wrong, like I said. Anyway, this is all, and this is another one that says hockey. Trust your team, trust your coach, trust yourself. And again, you know, it's not the team with the best players that win, it's the players with the team that the best play. It's the players with the best team that wins. You know, some are repetitive, but whoops, what did happen there? Repetitive just gives you force of confirmation. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take, and that was Wayne Gretzky, good old Wayne. You know, a lot of the young kids today don't particularly know who he is, but they do know who the other young fella. My mind went blank here. Anyway, even the best fall down sometimes, but only the best. I just read that one. Don't go through life without goals. And you are a work of art, and yeah, he says a good hockey player plays where the puck is, and a great hockey player plays where the puck is going to be. In other words, foresee. Be proactive. Anyway, so this is, I only made him a small journal, but this is what I made him. And on this one here, again, it's another dollar store book, but it's a agenda. It's a calendar, rather, you know, so if you, for next year, and a little, for phone books and whatever, but with their iPad today, I'm not sure how handy this will come. But I've put it in anyway, and with their phones and that, you just don't know if it's going to be useful. But anyway, I put it in because I think if he's got special dates, he may want to keep for future reference. And another little one, Go Team, another little paper clip. Made a little pocket right here, slips right in here. And that is his journal. It's not as chunky and stuff, but boys, they're a little bit more masculine, and they don't particularly go for all that frilly stuff. So I was really challenged, but I do like it. I hope you like it, and I hope it inspires you that if you do have a male of maybe grandchildren, son, brother, whatever, that you want to make a journal, it might give you an idea on how to make it. It's simple, but hopefully it's going to work. Have yourself a fabulous day. Be sure you're creative, but most importantly, be sure you're happy. Have yourself a great day. We'll see you on the next exploration of crafty things with me.